Do you get what I'm saying? Nobody thought that Tottenham was going to win the Europa League. I told Northside live on his channel, this channel, round about the same time, Tottenham is more likely to win a trophy than Arsenal. He looks at me like I was smoking Budgie Banton. Yeah, but today I sit here like I was right, you were wrong. Now I tell you, man, that Tottenham was more likely to win the major trophy than Arsenal. I've said it. Yeah, and it's going to happen. You don't know. Look, the reason why I'm here is because we are making history right now. We are going to refer back to this moment. One of us, yeah, is going to be on top. Hold that.
You're making history by an own goal and a double performance against Villarreal, yeah?
This is history, bro. This is history, bro. And this clip is getting saved. Are you crazy? Running it back.
I don't think he's looking at you as an Arsenal fan. He's looking at Northside, the Benfica fan. You know what I mean? Because Benfica lost.
Don't start. Because you're gonna go on timeout right now. You know what I'm saying? We don't want to talk about Benfica right now. You know what I'm saying? We don't want to talk about Benfica right now.
You can't time out the second in command. That's not how it works.
Out of this. Leave them out of this.
You know what I'm saying? Dej, what is it that you're gassed about, bro? Like, what are you saying?
Dej is lying. Dej is lying.
Yeah,
I said they were going to win it. You know what I'm saying? He's lying.
Are you speaking spicy as well to Yasser as well? What you said about Chelsea? You ain't respecting what they did.
You don't have enough reach, Deji. You know what I'm saying? You can't reach where I am. You know them ones. You got them Kepa hands when it comes to the trophy thing. But you got short hands.
Can I be real though about Chelsea? Yeah.
Dinosaur.
You can chat to these men.
I'd be real.
Hey, nah, yes sir, nah. Hold
I'm gonna have to.
I don't like a backhand disrespect, bro.
You can't disrespect me. Let me tell you what one. Let me tell you.
I didn't disrespect. You know what I'm saying?
I'm a classist. I'm not gonna lie. There's, we're not all perfect. There's some. I've got some ignorant tendencies. Last season, I was looking up, so it meant I was involved in a lot of conversation. This season, because I'm on the up, and there's a lot of brothers below me, I don't entertain certain conversations. Chelsea, I don't chat to Chelsea, man. Europa Conference League, I can't chat to them, bro. Like, what's that? Do you know what I mean? Even when I look at the table now, they're beneath me. Do you get what I'm saying? So
I can't hear you, Daisy, bro. I've got too much trophies around me.
Yasser's a good guy. Do you get me? And he
Daisy, I'm telling you, bro. I'm not the one. I'm telling you.
2 billion, and these men are struggling against Brentford. Yeah, man, but we did our best. Caicedo's the best mid. Shut your mouth, man. Shut your mouth. You men are struggling against Brentford. What are we doing there, bro? Brentford without Wissam. Brentford without Thomas Frank. Brentford without Norgard. Brentford without Mbeumo. And you want to chat? Huh? 2 billion down the pan. What a waste of money. Do you get me? Like, we're not seeing the advantage you thought you had. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying about Chelsea. Where's the advantage? Because that's why you spend money to gain an advantage. But where is it? There's no advantage. And as for Arsenal, the reason why I'm here, Arsenal man can't chat to me right now because we're doing the same thing. That's all I think.
We spent 2 billion to be world champions. You know what I mean? So what are you saying now?
Bro, you spent 2 billion to be world champions, but you were fourth in the Prem. Man couldn't beat Crystal Palace.
When's the last time you were fourth in the Prem?
Bro, you couldn't beat Crystal Palace, bro. Ask me where I am now.
Now?
But you know what it is? Let me tell you what it is, yeah? Man, I'll be real. I don't like brothers that think they're Harrison Ford. Because this brother here moving like Indiana Jones.
Indiana Jones.
I do things in the here and now.
The here and now is crazy.
The here and now. Forget about the 17th.
What have you achieved, then?
Huh?
What have you heard me? In the here and now, what have you achieved?
Well, at the moment, if my eyes is not deceiving me, I'm a title. I'm in a title.
Did he say title contender? I said,
bro, he's trolling. He's trolling. Trolling.
I swear to God, bro. I said in the here and now, I'm in the title race.
for the time being.
Bro,
yeah, you know what it is? I think they're just trying to. You know what? You know what it is, yeah? They're just
Hey,
trying to
man,
hit.
them, but,
You know what
look,
title race
let's
they're
be real. One of the greatest things in maybe that man invented, yeah. And I think sometimes we have to kind of remember where we come from. Is innocent until proven guilty.
So you're competing until not competing. Is that what you're saying?
Innocent until proven guilty.
He said it twice. I don't know why he
I know
said
what
it twice.
title. Listen, I know what
It just
title.
sound like-
Listen, I know what title contender Deji's in, blood. He's trying to hit 10K tomorrow, blood. Do you know that?
I hear that.
I'm not trying to hit nothing, bro. I'm just here celebrating my club. You get me?
What are you celebrating? A dusty performance that you cast Liverpool for, an own goal. You're actually what? Is that incredible to you?
Bro.
A season with no trophy. You keep talking about, no, hold on. You keep talking about, yo, Arsenal. What did you win last year? What did you win? You're shaking your bum because this season you project your club to finish top 4, no trophy.
Bro, I think the conversation this evening is a classic case of whether you see the world as your glass half full or your glass half
That's
empty.
a Egal line, you know. That's a Egal line.
That's Egal. You stole that from Egal. You stole that
You're
from
Deji.
Egal.
You know what? I'm not gonna lie.
Copyright.
Egal has dropped some gems.
Copyright.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Wait.
Copyright.
You know,
Right there.
you know what he's gonna say next? You know, let me tell you what he's gonna say next. He's gonna say you don't understand the genius. You know what I'm saying? You don't understand the genius.
Oh my god.
I was just gonna say.
This is
Some
like
might
the scene in Training Day, bro. Put the drink down.
I'm just saying, bro. Some of us might see today's performance as a professional performance. I'm just saying.
So Liverpool's performances are not professional performances?
With the squad that they have, no.
Oh, okay. With the squad that they have. So your squad ain't all that. But I remember when you told me. I remember when you told me that your club can go toe to toe with my team. So when my team do a dusty performance like today, you criticize them based on the team. But apparently your squad is just as good as mine. But you had a dusty performance against Villarreal. So your
managers had 7 years to sort this crap out. Mine's had less than 3 months.
Yeah, but you still put your team up there with mine. Yeah. You said that you've got your defense.
Imagine that. Huh? Imagine catching you in less than 3 months.
Okay, so we've got the same level squad, but your dusty performance is okay based on the squad you got, but mine is not.
I'm just here and now. From a perspective of, bro, like, how much time has he had to work with this team?
Oh, that's about the time that he's got to work with the team.
You need time, bro. I mean, we've all kicked ball here.
How long did it take Slot then? That's dusty.
It took Klopp 4 years.
No, Slot.
Say that again. No, sorry, bro. I think it's the articulation.
Let's go.
I'm joking. Look, I didn't want to gate crash the show today.
Yes,
I just want to say well done for you, man. And I can't wait to see you brothers November 22nd. I really can't wait, to be honest. And I will make sure that I will be jumping on Northside's channel, any of you man's channel every 2 days to remind you until showtime. I am leaning into you lot headpiece. Trust me.
Wait, the first derby dead, yeah? Spurs Arsenal. What's your score prediction?
Is Spurs home or away for that?
Let me check.
It shouldn't matter, bro. It shouldn't matter, bro.
It doesn't matter.
Arsenal at home.
As usual, we're always at home first against these guys, man.
Yeah, it's fixed, bro.
It's fixed.
2-1 Spurs.
It ain't what I'm saying. I'm just saying.
2-1.
If you're at my yard, bro, 3-1 Spurs.
So we're gonna lose twice to you, man, this season.
We'll see. We'll see.
Bro, I didn't start, bro.
All right. You man heard it here first. Deji exclusive.
Look, I'm trying. Look, at the end of the day, I'm bringing friendly fire. But if you don't want to take it to the streets, we'll take it to the streets. You know, like that. You know what I mean? But yeah. But look, big up to all you guys. Enjoy your win. Man, I should just pass through. You get what I'm saying? And I'll see you, man, on the other side. Don't go anywhere. You get me? I'm not going to hear none of these stories. I had to work. Do you get me? You know, BT knocked down my internet piece. Do you know what I mean? My phone wasn't ringing. Make sure you're about. And I don't give a damn what your time zone is. Make sure you're available.
You think he's Sport City? You know, the way he's talking, you think he's Sport City.
Big up.
Big up, Dej, man.
Lester, I'm joint second in the Prem. What are you telling me about City? You guys are going to beat City, and then City ain't even going to finish top 4. City's rubbish. Let's not chat about City. They've been done. I've been singing that since last season, end of the road. You are more likely to be a problem than City, and I don't rate you. Not you personally, but your club.
Hey, listen, Deji, don't worry, man. We'll talk, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, so get above me in the league, innit? And then you can have some
talk.
Well, now fall back, my guy, fall back.
Don't worry, man. I always laugh last anyway, but it is what it is.
Big up, everyone. Enough respect. Thank you.
Big up. The most shameless guy, bro.